In this video guide, I will share with you how you can log in PayPay account. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for PayPay login. This is the keyword as you can see here, and then scroll down, click this result. As you can see, this is on Japanese result. You will see LO, this is login. So guys, you can see this is a login page. From in this case, all you have to do, you will see login with your all details. From here, write your account number and store number and login password. Write your login password and store number. This is, for example, store number and account number here. So guys, and then click login. If you want to, don't now, you can erase your password. Click erase password. Complete these steps, and then you can erase your password without any problem. Write your PIN, and then you can log in with your PIN also. So guys, also you can log in with your app. Just download this app on Google Play, and then you can log in successfully without any problem. If you have any question down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.